Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having an awesome day so far. In today's video, I am going to be giving you guys a hair length update and be sharing with you the winner of my back to school giveaway. So, well, let's just jump into it. So first things first, I am actually noticing a little bit of difference in terms of length in the mirror. This side is kind of growing a little quicker than this side, but I am noticing a difference. Obviously, I've only been taking these pills for like 2 weeks now, so, you know, nothing drastic at all. It's not like I'm expecting my hair to be 6 inches longer yet, but I am noticing a little bit of a difference. The shirt that I normally wear is being washed right now currently, and I wanted to make this video ASAP, so apologize for that, but my armpit is like right here, so I might have had like, you know, like this much hair growth, which isn't bad for like 2 weeks. So again, I'm gonna be putting a clip of my first week, like my before I tried the products, very before picture, and this is my after 2 weeks of taking the keratin supplements and the biotin shampoo and the Silky conditioner. So I am pretty happy with the results overall. I haven't noticed too many negative effects. The only thing that I notice, which I hear that people taking either biotin supplements, which I think that supplement does have a little bit of biotin in it. It's mainly keratin that I'm concerned with, but biotin too. I've heard that people notice a little bit of breakouts. I'm not having breakouts, but I do notice a little bit more texture on my forehead, but nothing that I can't deal with after, you know, like exfoliating and toning and moisturizing. So as long as you're on top of your, well, as long as I'm on top of my skincare, then like nothing turns into pimples, but I do notice a smidgen more texture, which also could be, you know, Mother Nature. But overall, I'm really happy with the pills. I feel like I'm about halfway through with them because I've been taking them for 2 weeks now. So I'm gonna go ahead and order another bottle right now because so far so good. And I'm also going to order more shampoo and more conditioner, I believe. However, I don't need those right away. I think I can probably push those and make them last a little bit longer than the 2 weeks that I have left with my pills. But yeah, so I am really happy with these products. I'm excited to see what everything looks like after 1 whole month, and I'll make sure that I wear the right shirt for that. But I'm really, really happy with the results. And yeah, so this is my update. Hopefully we can see a difference between, you know, my before and my after. And yeah, that's my update. And now let me get the giveaway winner. But first, I need to pick my laptop up. Okay, so the winner of my back to school giveaway is Kenya Montoya from Houston, Texas. So congratulations, girlfriend, you won. I'm gonna go ahead and email you like right now. So yeah, congratulations. Thanks to everyone who entered my giveaway. It means a lot to me that you did. If you're upset that you didn't win, don't be, because I always have giveaways on my channel. I am kind of in the works of planning a fall giveaway. I'm looking at my calendar. Fall is kind of, you know, it's approaching, it's getting there. So comment down below if there are any new makeup items you're excited about or that you would like to see in a fall giveaway, and I will highly consider them. Yeah, that's pretty much all I got. I just wanted to give you guys an update and share with you the winner of that giveaway. And now I'm gonna go film a makeup tutorial. Bye, guys.